I honestly wasn't expecting that. That scared the shit out of me. Wow, I really wasn't expecting him to bite. Obviously, when they rattle, they just want you to leave them alone. As you saw, the closer I got the camera to this guy, every time I got the camera close to him, every time I got the camera close to this guy, he started rattling. Once I backed off, he stopped rattling. They don't just want to bite you. They don't want to waste their venom on you. They want to use it for their prey. This guy gave me so many warnings before he bit. Stop rounding these guys up. Stop killing them. If you really want to make a difference, just, I don't know, breed desert king snakes or something. Stop chopping their heads off. Oh, and to be honest, even if you did breed desert king snakes, I don't know if that would help. I really don't, but, I mean, basically all I want to say is please stop killing these guys. Stop chopping their heads off. Stop putting them around women's, men's, and children's faces at Rattlesnake Roundup. Texas, which I live in, is making a really bad reputation of themselves killing snakes like this. I just barely moved my hand and you saw the rattlesnake jump. He's very scared right now. Please stop killing these guys. I'm going to leave him alone right now because he is getting very scared. I'm going to put his log back in there so he can hide. But this guy just wants to be left alone. He doesn't want to hurt anybody. Stop killing him. And I'm going to leave him alone now because I'm obviously stressing him out and I'm being quite annoying to him. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please stop Texas Rattlesnake Roundup. It's barbaric, it's horrible, and it's... Just stop, please. Please stop. Please, 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 please stop Rattlesnake Roundup. Alright. Well, I'm going to put the log back in there so he can calm down and be a happy rattlesnake. Sorry for pissing you off so much that you bit the camera. I'm really sorry. I really didn't want that to happen. Hope your fangs are okay. Okay. I'm going to leave you alone now. Love you, snake.